Hey, all you beautiful people. Welcome back to Laser Focus Solutions Media. I'm Christopher Godwin, your host. And today I wanted to discuss the impact that each one of us has in our community and who is around us, whether we realize it or not. So I've been making these videos consistently. I've been posting content about the day in life of a home repair business owner, what it was like for me to walk away from a corporate world and get my own business. I've got an array of videos out there right now that about 25 videos in total. And, so I popped over at my neighbor's house today and was just talking with him. And he said, man, my kids are watching squirrels on YouTube. And I went, oh, that's pretty cool. So then just as time passed, a few seconds later, little Albie comes around a corner and he's like, Chris Godwin, how do you make YouTube videos? I want to make YouTube videos. And I said, well, I'll have to do a video and teach you, my man. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to teach little Albie on how to make some YouTube videos. So, I mean, I don't know if I should be doing this because I might get in trouble if moms doesn't want him to know, but you got to first make a YouTube account, my man. So that's the first thing you got to do is put yourself out there and get a YouTube account. Are you able to at your age? I don't know because I'm not your age, Albie, but I'm going to make this video just for you. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you how I do it. Now, before I do that, what I was doing previously, Albie, was I was using my iPhone, nothing more than going on to the camera app and then go into videos over here. So you scroll over a little bit and you got your videos. And then from there, I was turning the screen around and I was facing myself and I was more or less recording the video while holding it. And I actually use this little holder here. I set it inside this little cradle and it faced me. And then that way I can make the video and record, right? So then I'd have to stop that recording and I'd have to save that. And then I would go to the YouTube account that I was telling you about, Albie, and I would go ahead and I would upload that video to my YouTube channel. And then what I'm learning, because I'm still learning, right, is that you got to have a title, okay? And then you're supposed to have a description. And then there's all different types of things that I'm still learning myself, but that's the basics of how we do a YouTube video, okay? So now in my current position, what I do is I have this microphone right here. You see the green light? If I hit this button right here, it's almost like I'm like behind a closed wall, I think. So let me try it. So if I hit this button, but then you can hear me if I hit the green button, but then you can't hear me if I hit the green button, right? All right. So sorry, all those folks out there that are watching this. This is for little Albie. But so then I take and I go here. Let me share my screen, and I will show you. So I'm now sharing my screen. You can see this, right? I'll minimize this little thing here. And now you'll see that I am on what's called Zoom, okay, currently. And in the Zoom, what I do is I go into record, join a meeting, and then I go into, and it's not letting me show you, weirdly enough. Down the bottom, there's icons, and I go to record message. And when I hit record message, that's what I get, and I'm recording the message now live. So as we speak, I'm recording live, right? So what I'd like to do is, as I learn more, I'll certainly share, right? But that was a great question from the young audience out there in the world that want to know how to make YouTube videos. So I'm not sure if I helped this kid out. I'm not sure if I got him in trouble, but that, my man, is how you make a YouTube video. And then from there, you hit post and hit publish. And you can say if it's for teens or you can say if it's not for teens. In the beginning, I don't know why. I don't curse. I don't say anything that shouldn't be out there. But in the beginning, I was hitting no kids allowed type thing. So I'm not sure how that filters out. But that's how it goes. So there you are, my man. That's how you make YouTube videos. So that's it for tonight. I want to end on that. We got a great day today. We had a good solid day in business. We're going to continue as we always do, bringing our A game, bringing the best that we got for our clients, and continue to grow. So appreciate you watching, listening, subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll talk to you.